Shalom, brothers and sisters. Shalom. So they say forest fires and one hurricane after the other. Hurricanes, massive fires. On that west coast, up there in California, it's not only California, it's the entire west coast. It's really dry. Hey, California, Washington, Oregon, Arizona, New Mexico. Hey, they burning up. Tons and tons of wildfires just blazing. The place is on fire. Heavy, thick smoke in the air and flames are blazing on that west coast. Millions upon millions of people are homeless. They've been misplaced. They've been ordered to evacuate their neighborhoods because the flames are getting too close to their suburbs, to their part of the neighborhood there, the subdivision they live in. These fires are getting closer and closer, and they're hot. They're blazing hot, burning up whole neighborhoods and subdivisions and tearing the place all to hell, burning it right up. Them flames are hot on that west coast. Down here in Louisiana, Texas, parts of Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, around that Gulf Coast, hey, they're getting hammered by these massive hurricanes, one after another. Millions upon millions of people misplaced, got flooded out, washed away, homeless, no home, flooded out. We got people up here in these city streets protesting, civil unrest. Nobody seems to have find any justice up there. There's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of things happening in this country right here called America. And what's really going on? Well, your president Donald Trump claims that the forest fires out on the west coast is due to poor forest management. So the park rangers and the forest fire departments and stuff, they've been doing a poor job of managing, is what he claims. Other people claim climate change, global warming are the reason for the forest fires out west right now. But many other people, we think a little differently. Why is the place on fire? Why is the place getting flooded out? Is it climate change? Is it global warming? Is it because of man's poor management? I don't think so. I believe that all these blazing fires and all these floods and hurricanes and all this chaotic disasters that are happening one after another, killing thousands and thousands of people. Millions are homeless. Millions are jobless. Death is knocking on the door. What's going on right here in America? It's called some serious judgment from the creator of the universe. Hellfire, tornadoes, hurricanes, they're coming your way. Hey, there's going to be one hurricane after another hammering that coastline. There's going to be one forest fire blazing bright, one after another, on that dry west coast. There's going to be chaos in the streets in all major cities. Hey, we hadn't seen nothing yet. We're just seeing the beginning of things. We're just started. We're just getting started. Shalom. Shalom.